Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. In this video I'm going to assemble flight gear for RC airplane, but before that we will take a look at the components. So this is the lithium polymer battery. It has one wire for charging and second for discharging. And now this is the ESC. It has one wire to the battery, second wire to the receiver. Now this is our 6-channel receiver and transmitter of hot RC. Pretty cheap and works perfect. This is our brushless motor. These are servos of Rudder and Elevetor. Later we will see the Aileron servo. So now let's assemble all together. We're starting with the ESC to motor. Please pay attention to the connection order. If you change black and red wires, the motor will rotate in the opposite direction. Now connect the ESC to the receiver in channel 3. Connect the elevator servo in channel 2, and finally the rudder servo in channel 4. So now this is my wing. These are the servo wings. We have here 2 of them, one in each side. And in order to control them we used Y connector. We connected to the first channel. We connect our battery directly to the ESC. You will hear the receiver beeping. It means he's waiting to synchronize with the transmitter. So we'll now take our transmitter we will activate it, and the receiver now will stop beeping and our flight gear is ready.